Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to import a bank statement into Odoo using an Excel file. So let's start by looking at the template. As you can see, it has column like date, label, reference, partner, amount and statement. Here is something important, that is for customer payment and deposit, enter the amount as a positive number, and for vendor bills, enter the amount as a negative number. If you had like a copy of this template, just reach out to us through our social media links in the description below. Now let's move over to Odoo and see the whole process in action. So first go to the accounting module and select your bank journal. Here click on these three dots in the upper right corner and then select the statement. And here you can see the upload button. Click on this upload button and choose your prepared Excel file from your PC and now open it. Here click on the test button. Here you see the error because we don't have any statement, so we select the create new value and again we click on the test. We see everything seems valid. If something doesn't match exactly, you can manually adjust the mapping within this screen. Just make sure all columns line up. Now you can click on the import button. Your records has been successfully imported. You can just go back to the dashboard and then click on the transactions. Here you see all your customer payments and vendor bills has been imported. If you need this Excel template or have any question about Odoo, connect with us on our social media channel. So thank you. See you in the next video.